Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of the UGREEN USB 2.0 switch with a total of 4 ports and up to 480 Mbps. This is an ideal device for switching between two systems that share any USB port, mouse and keyboard just with a key switch. So we can have a quick look here for all the specification of this device, that you connect your laptop with another commonly used set of USB devices. Now this is a certified device and it is supposed to work as intended, and honestly most of the UGREEN products are really fine. So let's open this box and check closely this product and whether this is really the one you need for your systems. So first we must remove this seal here that is really well glued on this cardboard, and we are almost there. Okay, so we could cut it here with our trusty knife to save some time. I should note that this might be the cheapest solution for such a switch, and I will consider this as a value for money product given its price. So here we have it. Let's open it up and let's see the build quality of this product. Okay, here we have another cardboard box with a switch. Let us take this device out. Have to unpeel this wrapping material here. Let's stick together the really sticky glue. Okay, here we have it. Now my first gripe is that this is a really glossy device. I really hate that, but on the bright side, pun intended, we have a couple of really long cables and what it seems to be a recyclable material card. We also have some paperwork here, that is the manual and the connectivity options, and there's nothing else in the box. Now this one is the user instruction, is an A1, that's an FCC statement, some obligatory paperwork here. So let's check the user instruction manual. Now that it seems to be for more than one switch models, but it seems to share the same functions. So here we have it. One should check this out. It is in various languages and has all the important information here for using and setting up this switch. Overall, this is for peripherals only. I would like to connect a USB monitor, but ideally it will require a USB 3 port, so that we have a higher bandwidth for our display. But this is a USB 2.0 device, so you can check it here. We have 4 USB 2.0 ports. On the back we have a couple more for the system's connection and the power in that, well, it's not included. That's a big miss. So switching between the two systems can be done with this switch here, but let's unwrap this plastic cover first. Now the switch key feels great, it has a clicky sound, but this plastic is a mirror, it will scratch even at the bottom. Okay, 4 rubber pads. We also have 2 USB port cables and what it seems to be more than standard length. I still feel that there should be a power cable in here, but it's not included. That justifies the low cost and where corners are cut. So the lengthy cables are connected here at the 2 back ports. Select the first or the second system and you just connect it to a USB port, and this will enable accordingly the 4 front ports. That way each system connected with the lengthy cables will use the switch as USB hub. So this was the unboxing of the UGREEN USB switch. A really useful and nifty little device to share USB ports between two systems. So if you find this useful, leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.